Welcome to Tech Wonders Unveiled. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your first Angular application from scratch. For creating an Angular app, we need to install Node and Angular CLI. To download the Node, visit nodejs.org. Here I am using Visual Studio Code as an editor. To download Visual Studio Code, visit the site code.visualstudio.com. To create an Angular app, we have to open the terminal inside the Visual Studio Code. You can see the terminal in the menu. From the terminal, you can select the submenu New Terminal. We can see the terminal opened below the Visual Studio Code. You can change the project directory if you want. Now we have to install Angular CLI for creating a new Angular project. To install Angular CLI, we have to type the command npm install -g at angular/CLI in the command line and then press enter. I am ignoring this step because I have already installed Angular CLI. Now we are ready to create a new Angular project. For that, type ing new project name. The ing keyword is the name of the executable command for the Angular CLI. The new keyword is used to create the new Angular project. Here I am giving the project name as my first project. Press enter. Here we can expect some questions like, which style sheet format would you like to use? I am choosing CSS to keep it simple. Here is the next question. Do you want to enable server-side rendering, SSR, and static site generation, SSG/pre-rendering? Here I am typing no. Press enter. So here we are a few minutes later. Our first project is created successfully. Here we can see our project files. If you are not able to view files, then click the file from the menu, then select the submenu Open Folder. Select the folder where your project is created. To start the application, open the terminal and type the command ing serve and press enter. Now we can see the application is running on port 4200 on the local host. Now you can open it in your browser. Here is the first Angular application built and run in. We can create and run the Angular applications using the command prompt. To know that and get more understanding of Angular, please watch our other video, Angular tutorial and interview question series. The link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.